मुझ में पसीना क्या कहना। नजरों में छुपा ले देर न कर, ये दूरी मिटा ले देर न कर, अब दिल में बसा ले देर न कर, सीने से लगा ले देर न कर।
जल रहे हैं हम, होने लगी बरसात मगर जल चल रहे हैं हम।
होने लगी बरसात मगर चल रहे हैं हम।
भीगी हुई है रात मगर जल रहे हैं हम।
होने लगी बरसात मगर चल रहे हैं हम।
हे 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 बरसात के दिन आए, मुलाकात के दिन आए। पीता पियों के शरारे पीछे हैं, ये सावन की रिमझिम झड़ी है। कदम बेखुदी में बहकने लगे हैं, ये मदहोशियों की घड़ी है। बरसात के दिन आए, मुलाकात के दिन आए। हम सोच में थे जिनके, उस रात के दिन आए। बरसात के दिन आए, बरसात के दिन आए। हे हे
जलते रहे हम ख्यालों की लौ से, सही हमने बरसों जुदाई। छम छम बरसती सुहानी घटाने, अजब सी अगन है लगाई। बरसात के दिन आए, मुलाकात के दिन आए। हम सोच में थे जिनके, उस रात के दिन आए। बरसात के दिन आए, बरसात के दिन आए।
ना तुम होश में हो, ना हम होश में हैं। बहक जाए ना तुम, संभालो हमें।
गुजारिश यही है तमन्नाओं की, सनम बाजों में उठा लो हमें।
जज्बात के दिन आए, मुलाकात के दिन आए। हम सोच में थे जिनके, उस रात के दिन आए। बरसात के दिन आए, बरसात के दिन आए।
दीवानी दीवानी, जवानी मस्तानी, गर्म सांसों
जुदाई का गम, भला कब तलक हम तरसते रहें।
बारात के दिन आए, मुलाकात के दिन आए, हम सोच में थे जिनके, उस रात के दिन आए,
बरसात के दिन
बरसा पानी, पानी ने आग लगाई, आग लगी दिल में तो दिल को तेरी याद आई, तेरी याद आई तो छा गया मुझ पे दीवानापन, मेरे बस में नहीं मेरा मन, मैं क्या करूं। हसीना क्या कहना, यौवन का नगीना क्या कहना, सावन का महीना क्या कहना, बारिश में पसीना क्या कहना।
अंदाज जो
अखियों से परदेसी मुझे तो लूट गया.
Empaths feel the world deeply, every emotion striking like lightning. They sense what others cannot. Imagine a heart so open, yet easily broken. They give endlessly, yet expect little in return. You may not notice at first. Their patience seems infinite, but like water wearing down stone, their resilience has limits. An empath thrives on connection, authenticity, and trust. Break that trust repeatedly, and you awaken their defense. Silence becomes their weapon, calm and unshakable. No drama, no confrontation, just absence. An absence can speak louder than words. They will stop overgiving to those who only take. They will protect their energy fiercely. And you'll wonder why they left without a fight. Empaths notice every detail, every nuance in your tone. Pretend care, and they'll see right through it. They cannot stand falsehoods. Emotional manipulation is poison to them. They feel it before they see it. The moment they do, they begin to fade from your life. Sometimes you'll hear nothing for days. Weeks may pass. Picture someone who senses pain like a sixth sense. They absorb joy and sorrow alike. But when repeatedly hurt, they build walls that are invisible, yet impenetrable. Empaths forgive easily, but they never forget. Every betrayal leaves a mark. When the marks accumulate, they quietly exit. You may think you control them, but no one controls a person who knows their worth. Their leaving is a lesson you'll never forget. Silent, sudden, and complete. Once it's clear, their path diverges from yours permanently. Their disappearance is never dramatic. No screaming, no confrontations, just absent sand. The emptiness you feel will echo your mistakes. They will stop showing up for people who drain them, and you'll be left wondering what happened. Give them honesty and care, and they flourish. Hurt them enough, and the love turns inward, protecting itself fiercely. That is their armor, not their vulnerability. You'll notice the small things. First, the little texts that stop, the small invitations ignored. That's the beginning. Then comes the quiet void. Empaths forgive endlessly. Picture silence so loud it shakes you inside. That is the absence of an empath who has finally left. They will stop making excuses for those who mistreat them. They will stop hoping for change from those who refuse it. They know who is draining and who is giving. Cross the line, and the departure is certain. You may try to draw them back with apologies, but timing is crucial. Too late, and they've already moved on. Hurt them enough, and love becomes self-preservation. That is when disappearance occurs. That is an empath. After betrayal, the quiet is their strongest weapon. They don't warn. They just disappear. They don't argue. They just vanish. Empaths need emotional safety like oxygen. Absence is louder than confrontation for an empath. Imagine a heart that can hold the universe's pain. That is the power of an empath disappearing. They will stop caring for those who do not care back. You cannot guilt them into staying. Their self-respect outweighs manipulation. Once they vanish, the lesson is permanent. They will stop offering comfort to those who reject it, and they will disappear quietly. You'll notice the subtle signs: first a pause in communication, an unreturned call. That's the beginning of their withdrawal. Their disappearance is never impulsive. It's a calculated act of self-protection. Empaths are natural nurturers. But even nurturers have limits. Push those limits too far, and they vanish. And you'll only realize their absence when it hurts. They will not fight battles that drain them, and their silence will echo your mistakes. Imagine someone so attuned to emotions they feel your lies instantly. That is betray them, and they disappear to protect themselves. They will not return to relationships that erode their soul. Their leaving is proof of their strength, and it teaches boundaries like nothing else. They will stop giving second chances to those who repeatedly hurt them. They will stop hoping for change in those unwilling to change, and they will quietly leave. Absence becomes their shield, and they will vanish without drama. Impasse sense imbalance. Instinctively, they feel toxicity immediately, and they remove themselves before it consumes them. Silence is proof of strength, and absence is proof of wisdom. You cannot force an empath to stay. Their energy is sovereign, and they will disappear with dignity intact. Imagine someone so tuned into feelings, they detect betrayal before it occurs. That is an cross them enough times, and you will never see them again. They leave because self-love is louder than any attachment. They vanish because survival is non-negotiable, and their silence speaks volumes. And the void they leave teaches more than confrontation ever could. Their disappearance is not cruelty. It is protection, and it is an act of courage. Imagine someone who senses your every intention, every hidden motive. They stop investing in those who offer nothing back, and their leaving is permanent. Silence is louder than anger for them. Their absence is both a shield and a lesson. They feel your energy, good or bad. They forgive many things, but repeated harm is fatal to connection. They stop offering energy to those who drain it, and they disappear to reclaim their peace. They vanish, and darkness feels the weight of their leaving. They will stop sacrificing for those who exploit them. They will stop bending for those who break them. And their disappearance is the ultimate statement of silence. Empaths retreat to protect their heart. They vanish to preserve their soul. And their silence resonates louder than any words could. Once they leave, the lesson is permanent. They will not fight endlessly for those who refuse harmony. They will not bend endlessly for those who refuse fairness. And they will disappear quietly without confrontation. Empaths sense betrayal before it blooms. They protect their energy fiercely, and crossing that line leads to permanent disappearance. That is when disappearance becomes inevitable. Silence becomes their sanctuary, and leaving is their most powerful act. They will stop investing in toxic relationships. They will stop giving to those who take, and they will disappear without a backward glance. Empaths disappear to protect their energy. They live to reclaim their peace. They will not tolerate repeated betrayal. They will not endure continuous harm. Silence is their weapon. Absence, their shield. They do not argue. They do not retaliate. They simply vanish. Empaths sense insincerity instantly. Lies and manipulation trigger departure. They leave because self-love is more important than attachment. They will stop giving to those who refuse to appreciate it. And they will disappear without explanation. Imagine someone whose love could heal the world. Betray them repeatedly, and that light withdraws, and you are left in silence, facing the void. And their leaving is a testament to